tell us what we know, and as always in these breaking news stories, what don't we know? We want to be clear about what we know, what we don't know.
So this looks to be from New York's bank regulator, DFS, a request for information about any types of loans that have been extended by Deutsche Bank and two small banks towards Kushner, Jared Kushner, the Kushner companies, or members of the Kushner family.
This seems to be a very broad request. Is this normal?
Yes, it's very broad. In fact, the request, the way it was described to us, wants to know all sorts of details, collateral, conditions, whether or not there have been modifications. It is a broad request. But what I found significant is that you've got two small local lenders and you've got Deutsche Bank, a global behemoth. So our inference is that there might be some concern about the size of the loans from the local banks, and are they too big a percentage of their loans, as opposed to Deutsche Bank, which has been in the news for lending the Kushners, particularly regarding the old New York Times building on 43rd Street.
And from your story, if I understand it correctly, it's both they want some information, they want to tell them some things, but also give them some documents. They want some documentation as well.
They want some documentation about specific transactions, or at least some back and forth around requests for financing. They don't want actual loan agreements or documents. This is just a request, so it's not, I don't think we should infer like an investigation as much as they're gathering information right now.
We also know that federal prosecutors have been requesting documents. Are these the same type of documents that they want?
Well, the Deutsche Bank loan concerning West 43rd Street, that property, yes, there's been some interest in that. As far as the local lenders, Signature and New York Community Bank, I'm not sure those are, have generated the same level of interest that the West 43rd Street property has.